Hi everyone, Perry Carter here for Popular Technology TV. We're glad you can join us for this special presentation. We will be covering everything from computer modeling, simulation, weather forecasting, and continuity of operations for this special report. Please stay tuned. We'll be right back after these messages.
We mastered GPS, stealth technology, precision weapons, and unmanned aircraft. We deliver over 53 million meals a year to airmen around the globe. We can see the license plate of a car from 50,000 feet above. We can be anywhere in the world in 30 minutes, traveling at twice the speed of sound. We have hospitals in the sky. We build, launch, and command satellites. We battle 3 million cyber threats a day. We are first responders for relief efforts around the globe. We don't just defend America. We do the impossible every day.
Technology, as I say, is a tool, and it's a changing, living, breathing tool. And for educators to be their best, they have to be the most informed and the most well-equipped. And Best Buy is a wonderful partner to help think proactively and think long-term solutions.
Not only does Best Buy offer competitive prices, but we have access to so much more inventory than you would find in a local Best Buy store. We also have personal dedicated account managers that will service all of your technology needs front to end. We have Geek Squad agents that can come into your school.
Having the ability to buy a device that's ready to go out of the box is huge. They will take that product, get it set up to your network, get it set up to your config, so when you receive it, you can basically give it to the student or give it to the staff member. That saves a whole bunch of time.
We're able to provide them with everything they need, so we're really a one-stop shop for all the schools across the nation.
We are in your community and we'll be there when you need us.
So I feel confident in recommending Best Buy for education.
Thank you for joining us for this episode of Popular Technology TV.
Some of BDPA's larger chapter cities in the Northeast, Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, Newark, New York, and Boston, are significantly being impacted by this heavy snow. Very strong winds and high tides bringing all modes of transportation to a grinding halt. On 19 January 2016 at 1800 Zulu, or 1 o'clock Eastern Time here in Washington, the Global Forecast System, or GFS model, run by the National Weather Service, predicted 17 to 35 inches of snow from a classic mid-latitude vortex that would later form with confluent flows, locking in enough cold air for this record-breaking weekend nor'easter. With emergency blizzard warnings still spread across the mid-Atlantic, what role did big data and predictive analytics, BDPA, if you will, play in predicting this historic megalopolis nor'easter we now know up close and personal as Winter Storm Jonas? Big data analytics is the use of advanced analytic techniques against very large, diverse data sets that include different types, structured or unstructured, and different sizes ranging from terabytes to zettabytes. Big data is our term applied to these data sets whose sizes or types are well beyond the ability of traditional desktop or relational databases to capture, manage, and process these data sets with little or no latency. Each day, more than 20 terabytes of data spanning temperature readings, wind speeds, barometric pressures, satellite images, and much more from thousands of locations is generated. The ability to make better use of all this data to build more precise, accurate weather forecasts stands to dramatically improve the way cities and businesses plan for, manage through, and recover from strong storms and winter hurricanes. IBM states these new advances are helping to pave the way for broader adoption of autonomous and predictive technologies. Let's take a look at one of IBM's vignettes. Big data, the force behind weather modeling.
For emergency agencies at the local, state, and federal levels to be able to exercise an evacuation plan 3 days in advance, they really need to have confidence in the forecast that we're providing them 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3 days in advance, that they can see a consistency in the forecast and have confidence on its accuracy so that they can take these actions.
Well, most of agriculture, is directly driven by weather. That might be looking at planning for planting or putting out fertilizer or pesticide, and what are the conditions going to be tomorrow or the next day.
Over 2 billion observations a day are fed into the numerical models. We have to have an automated way through what we call data assimilation to extract the useful information from all of that data, and then that can be applied to the equations that are used in numerical models so that it can then step ahead in time. Businesses from retail to production, energy, agriculture, water resource management are all using predictions now from the weather models to actually make decisions.
We believe better weather forecasts can have a positive economic impact.
Let's build a she shed.
What's that?
Not this.
Whoa.
Now paint, power, style.
No Wi-Fi. Check now. Got Wi-Fi.
Cables, art. Lock, smart. Mood light, music, refreshments, and relax.
Let's build a man cave. Start with this. Take it all out. Add paint, floors, gaming, 4K, golf,
Yes.
robot fight, pizza, beer, 3D printed tap handle. For beer, this thing, that thing. Light show, done.
That's all we have for today's special program. Thank you for joining us. Please don't miss our season premiere and our high school computer competition kickoff in Washington, D.C. next weekend, January 30th. Visit bdpatodc.org for more information. Until then, be safe, stay off the roads, and enjoy your weekend.